So one of the things that you can do in Affinity with text is add in text box links. So to do that, let me just go ahead right here, hold the text right here, and then choose frame text box. And if I were to click and drag, this is what you have. If I were to press Ctrl V right here, then you can see that I have this text right here. So now what I can actually do is, let's say for example, resize out the text box, and as I resize it, you can actually see that the text disappears right here. That is because there is not enough space for this particular size of text right here within the size of the text box that I have right here. So here you can actually see that when that happens, when the text overflows, you can see that there is an arrow that appears. If I were to click, then if I were to click outside right here, just like this, then what happens is that I can actually go ahead and then bring the text box right here. I can go ahead, click the arrow, and if I were to draw a text box, you can see that the continuation of the text box now right here actually flows from this box to this box right here, just like this. I can go ahead right here, resize it out, and if I were to click right here and click and drag, you can see another text box right here that you can bring in. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here, just like this. So let's just go ahead and then let's say for example, I'm going to go ahead and select and delete out this text box. What I can actually do now is, let's say for example, go around onto this text box and draw this out. What I can also do is, let's say for example, select this, and now instead of drawing out a separate text box, I can go ahead and then, let's say for example, click this out, and then I can simply go ahead and click on this text box, and then you can see a continuing flow right here. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here, or let me just go ahead and redo this out right here because I still want the text right here, just like this. So now you can see that I got this text box. Let me just go ahead and delete. You can see that everything that is after this particular text box is hidden. But if you want to view it, you can simply go ahead and click on this eye icon right here. Click on it again to hide it as well. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with text box link inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe